So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create looping animation with using Cinema 4D R21. Guys, you can use any Cinema 4D version. So now guys, I change FPS. So I go to here, mode and project, and see guys, that's my FPS frame. So change to 60. I like 60 FPS frame. So next one guys, I take cube and change cube size. So X1 I take like 15, Y 100 and Z1 same 100. Yeah. So closer, and I go to here, display, select outstanding lines, yeah, and make editable this cube. Select and select edges. Guys, select all edges like this and select, yeah, right. Okay, so now right click on here, use bevel tool, yeah, and guys see that's my offset. Offset 10 is good, and subdivision increase I like 10. Yeah, really good, right? See guys, that's my simple shape, right? Okay, so guys, now I create smoothness. So select and again select this edges. So loop selection tool, guys, select your loop, this one, that's my selection, and same on back side, select, yeah, right. Okay, so now right click, same bevel. Guys, this time bevel offset I like 0.5, yeah, and increase, yeah. See guys, that's my smoothness. Okay, so guys, my shape is complete now. I apply cloner, this one. So select this cube and make child with cloner, yeah. Guys, select this cloner and see guys, that's my position. Position p.y I take 0 and x1 like 15, yeah, and increase count like this. I like 50 is good, yeah. See guys, that's my shape, right? Okay, so all is good. Now guys, I apply this time plane effector. So select this cloner and use plane, yeah, and guys parameter position uncheck, and see guys, that's my rotation, and rotation r.p increase like this. Okay, so now guys, I take liner field. So go to fall off and use liner here, yeah, like this, and guys go change position. So select this cloner and guys position change like -100 is good, yeah, and guys select this liner field and also change, yeah, I like same 100, yeah, that's good, right? Okay, so guys, select this plane parameter and rotation increase like this. See guys, that's my simple rotation. So guys, rotation like 200 is good, yeah. And now I create looping animation. So guys, frame I like 200 is good, and go to here, that's my cloner. I create position animation, so position check, yeah, and go to last one, 200 frames, and guys position change like 300, yeah, and position check. So go to back and play, yeah. See guys, that's good. Okay, so guys, now I change graph editor. So select this cloner and timeline F curve tool and increase size, this one. Guys, select your graph editor and take liner. Click on here Yeah, that's my graph editor. So close and go to back and play. See guys, right? It's really good. Okay, so now guys, I change little bit frame because that's not seamless animation. Yeah, so frame like 195 and go to back and again play. Yeah, see guys, that's really smooth animation. It's really seamless animation, right? Okay, so guys, my first animation is finished. Now I create sphere animation. So go to back and guys, I take sphere, this one, and change size smaller, up, guys, make more. Yeah, it's good. And increase segments like this. Yeah, and guys, select this chord and go to up like 78 is good, right? See, so go to back. Yeah, and your position is good. Okay, so now guys, I create rotation animation. Rotation, so select this pair and 0 frame and press this animation key. Yeah, and go to last one like 195 and rotation like 360 and press this animation key. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yeah, guys, I also change graph editor. So select this pair and timeline F curve tool. So select this pair. That's my graph editor. Select and same liner. Click on liner. Yeah. So now go to back and play. Yes. See guys, that's really good. Okay, so little bit back, little bit like this. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yeah, much better. And guys, now I set camera angle. I take camera and camera check. Guys, select this camera and you can change guys focus length here, lens take normal. Yeah, and closer like up. Yeah, it's good. So go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful seamless animation, right? Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now I apply material. Guys, I already create materials, so I go to create and load material. Guys, I have material file, so go to here like this. See guys, that's my material file. So apply this one material on here, cloner. Yeah, so guys, select this pair and apply this marble material. Yeah, and second one, guys, go to closer, select this pair and make editable. And guys, select this polygon, rectangle selection, select like this. Yeah, and right click and apply the second material. Yeah, and hide lines. Yeah, see guys, that's beautiful animation, right? It's really smooth animation, guys. Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now I apply light. So take area light and camera. Guys, camera position lock, protection. Yeah, actually this one camera. Yeah, okay, so guys, camera uncheck and I apply light. So select this area light and go to up and rotate this light like this, minus 90, and increase size. Yeah, good. So go to up. Yeah, and guys, go to camera and play. Yes, it's really good. Okay, so guys, now I apply HDRI light. So take sky and see guys, that's my HDRI. So apply on sky, yeah, and right click on sky, go to here, rendering tank, compositing, and self seen by camera. Actually this one, seen by camera uncheck, yeah. And next one, I use background, and guys, simple background, and render preview, yeah, it's beautiful, right? Okay, so now I change render setting. So guys, go to render setting and render to change this one physical and use global illumination. That's it, yeah. So physical, guys, you can take low, this one. If your system configuration is better, you can take medium, otherwise you can take low, yeah. So go to here and render preview. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful render, right? So color correction, guys, brightness little bit increase like 5. It's really beautiful, guys, right? Okay, so now guys, stop and render setting. Guys, go to here, save, format. I use JPEG, you can see this, and go to desktop, create new folder like render, and enter and take any file name, yeah. Guys, output, use full HD frame, full HD, yeah. And frame rate, guys, I use same 60. I have 60 FPS, yeah. All is good. And use all frame, yes, and close. So guys, one more time, play. Yes, beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. Go to render setting. So guys, see, that's my final render. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.